So here we are changing out a bathtub drain, just the trim work. And sometimes you unscrew that and that drops away and you've got problems. So it's staying where it is right now, which is good. This is what came out. This is what's going in. Just clean that up a little bit, we'll be good to go. One more thing, apparently there are two different size bathtub drains. It used to be this plastic size on the outside, and then on the inside there's another size. I don't know what that is, but it changed over time apparently, and we need the bigger, older size. Now you would think this rubber O-ring went underneath here, and I'm sure some people would put it there, but normally I would use that for down in there between the shoe and the tub. This guy goes in typically, but I don't know if I'll be able to get that one out, so I may just leave that one in. I'll see what it feels like. Kudos to the last plumber. I was able to get that other rubber O-ring out and putting this one in instead. All right, now I got that in. Now I'm putting this guy in. It's plastic, isn't it nice? Okay. You can adjust it obviously through that screw. Plastic, this is plastic also.
Plastic.
Plastic is the best. There you go.